Well, hello everybody out there in the lands, Chris from HHN.com with another exciting episode of Topher's Vlog. We are back out at Universal Orlando Resort for another update on street progress for Halloween Horror Nights 32. I know I say this a lot, but it is hot. It is brutally hot out here today. We got all sorts of heat warnings going on, so we're not going to be on here for too long because it is just way too damn hot to be walking around out here at this time of year. It's too hot. So let's get a move on. Let's not waste any more time. Let's have some fun. Before we even get into the park today, we do have an update on our rigs. Outside the park, we have lights now adorning both. So lights there, and lights there. Also an update on our rigs behind the archway. We do have lights added now on these, so there's right there. Quick update on our truss work at the front of the park. The only new that I see is that we have some added speakers, which I do not believe were there last week, but you know, definitely does feel like somebody's going to be on top of that platform. Maybe Oddfellow. Just a quick look from the other side. So there's the speakers here, and just our typical speaker or lights. So just the speakers on this side, no speakers on the other side just yet. Quick look at the crowds down Production Central. Despicable Me is at a 40-minute wait. And our Villain Con is at a 35-minute wait, so pretty typical. It is a fairly busy day out here, despite all the kids going back to school on Thursday. And the heat. But yeah, so pretty good crowd today. So over in New York, we have our first signs of our food booths. So this one obviously more than likely will be themed to Stranger Things. The Big Kahuna Pizza, is that what it's called in Stranger Things? And then over here we have like a lodge looking thing with antlers. If I had to guess, this was going to be Last of Us. Something to deal with the Last of Us, maybe even Yeti themed. There you go, so two booths in New York. There's one there. And here's our lodge looking one over here. Nothing new added to our Vamp 69 scare zone on this end. Just a quick walkthrough. I've seen all this stuff before, of course. Don't see anything by the stage. Still have all of our guitars. Still think that's going to be some kind of a gruesome display over there by the drums. Got some tambourines. Hey, Mr. Tambourine Man. Quick look at our bus. Just love this thing. This thing is very cool. Very, very cool. So over by Boris Schuster's office, we do have a little Easter egg hanging out on the window there. A little Cthulhu looking monster. Now if I was a betting man, I would say this probably has something to do with, you know, perhaps a mobile game that might be coming this year. Maybe akin to Jack's Scattered Past from a couple years ago. There it is. Quick check over in Hollywood. Nothing new has been added except for just some pieces to our sets here. So this is so I guess there's a couple different ones in here. I still don't know what that is. Pisces, and there's a Sagittarius, the Scorpion there. And then over on this side, our little stage over here. Looks like, again, nothing really added. So, what is it, Leo here with the lion? And I said a centaur, but it's not a centaur. That's what is it? Wait, it is a centaur, right? Yeah, it is a centaur. Well, the horse guy, the half horse guy. So what is that? What is the half horse guy in horoscopes? I have no idea. But there it is. So nothing else added over here. Got Marilyn Monroe kind of hanging out, going in the shade. Smart woman going in the shade over there. Greeting guests. That's fun. So like I said, it's not as busy as it was a couple days ago, but it's still pretty good clip out here. A couple of updates over in Shipyard 32. We now have a giant cage over here. So yes, there will be a scare actor in here. Here, I'll turn that up a little bit so you guys can see better. So there's a little boo hole thingy back there. So yeah, actors get in and out and back there. Over by our crates over here, we got quite a bit of stuff added. Got these little concrete pillars over here. Back here. And then this sort of oil drilling rig thingy back here. It's quite interesting. Fog machines are connected to what would be fog down there, I guess. There we go. Across the way over here, we do have another container. I would assume that we would have another scare actor over here, because there is a boo hole opening back here. Is this a fake? It is. So the front of this is fake wood. So scare actor in here, pops out his hand through there. So there you go. It's all of our updates in Shipyard 32. We can actually see our new food and bev cart back there. It is very yellow. So they've painted our cart back there, which is why it's been behind construction walls. Still nothing new to report over at our San Francisco theme bar. Still the same setup they had the other day. Quick break and look over in Springfield. Once again, this is mostly for the people who are still holding out hope that there might be a Megan horde back here. We still do not have any lighting on top of the Springfield Fast Food Boulevard buildings here. So keep that in mind as we get closer to the event. Still no lighting. Quick check on our DreamWorks construction progress. So still working hard back here, and there's our, what I think is a castle, far away castle, but still working. Quick check on our Jungle of Doom scare zone, so we've got some camo around here. We've added some green netting around our bat friends. So camo netting around our bat friends. Got some oil drums and stuff over here. Let's look at our bats. Some more boxes and things over here. There's our bat there, but right next to our bat friend we have what looks like a parachute. A literal parachute stuck in the canopy of the jungle. That is quite cool. There we go. And then over here we have our universal plane, which is basically dug into the ground here. So crashed into the ground. All covered up. So, story-wise, somebody had to bail and the plane crashed. Very cool. So we all know Universal reuses props. So who knows what this symbol is? If you don't know what the symbol is, go back and watch my episode on Terra Currentus. Look at our updates to our temple entrance here. There's a lot of foliage. Got a speaker back there. Quick update on our preview merch for The Exorcist. Still plenty of stuff available. Lots of glasses. I do like the design of the shirt. For relief, something I just noticed on this booth here, we have scratches in the wall. So, like I said before, Yeti or Last of Us. I'm thinking Yeti now. So damn hot. I think we're gonna get out of here. It is way too hot. We did our loops. We saw all the things. And I think it's time to go home. It is so hot. Time for some water, cold shower. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.